What's good? I'm Corey with Kick Theory with another early look. In 2017, 18, and 19, Jordan Brand gave us winterized versions of Jordan Retros, such as the Jordan 4, the 12, and even a Jordan 1 Mid. In 2020, they skipped that trend, and this year they picked it right back up, this time using a Jordan 14. We do get just a 14 box with this, no special packaging, although I think it would have been really cool if we did get a brown box with this as opposed to a black one, but we at least do get a Jordan 14 box. The colors are Archaeo Brown multicolor. It's going to retail for $210 and release on October 16th. The paper on the inside, it's a double layer paper. We get a white paper and black paper. Anytime they do something like this, it means that the shoe is normally have a premium feel to it. So this shoe having a nice premium upper, they do this to kind of protect it during shipping. And here they are, the Air Jordan 14 Winterized. Now my first reaction to this shoe is great materials. It definitely changed my mind on the shoe when I saw it in hand. We've seen that a few times this year, especially with the Blaze Orange 5 that we reviewed last time. That shoe kind of did the same thing. Wasn't a big fan of the pictures that I saw at first, but getting them in hand definitely changed my mind. Same goes for this one. The suede on this shoe is insane. The quality is just perfect. It does have some texture and it is going to change colors, you know, as you move those suede fibers around. So very premium suede on this one. And if you notice, it is a all one-piece upper. There are no overlays, there's no seams, because it is a water resistant upper. If they do put seams, they would have to put a bootie inside the upper, which is kind of like what Gore-Tex is, to keep it waterproof. And this one, just being water resistant, it is going to be seam seal treated on the outside there. So as I mentioned, we've got that all over brown upper. It's Archaeo Brown is what they're calling it. And you've got some hits of infrared, or some people are calling it orange. It looks kind of more like an infrared to me, and it's just beautiful. It gives it a nice kind of a lumberjack type feel to it, and it's hard not to think of Travis Scott when you see these. If they had some Travis Scott branding on these, it would fit the mold of what he likes to do with his sneaker, using that brown color. It's definitely bringing some vibes of his collabs along when you check this one out. But back to the shoe. On the tongue, we do have that kind of that nylon material on the tongue with a red lace. It does come with a black lace option. Both of them will have chrome lace tips or aglets on the laces, which I love that, even when they kind of do that with the extra laces. You know, we want the same lace. Even though it's a different color, we want the same lace. So got the red lace, you've got a red Jumpman on the side there, and on the top of the tongue, this Jordan is written in red with that Roman numeral 14 in red behind it. A red insole down there at the bottom, and on the back, on top of the tire, because this is modeled after a Ferrari, so this back piece kind of resembles a tire, and the 23 is going to be in red, elongated there with that nice piece of suede at the top being in red. Along the midsole, they used a matte chocolate brown on the midsole here, on the little claws and along this back piece. It's probably going to look like black on the camera, but it is kind of a chocolate brown with some sail mixed in, and of course that iconic carbon fiber wrapping up on the lateral side, coming around to the medial side. Outsole, black herringbone traction, normal for a 14. It's one of the best wearing Jordans. The 12, 13, and 14 they all wear very well. 14s definitely do too. So you've got the black herringbone traction with that red Roman numeral there with the red Jumpman in the middle. So I honestly think that this ranks at the top as far as past winterized releases. Of the 4s were okay, the 12s were cool. This one is really nice to me. I think it's going to age very well. It's going to wear well, and it's perfect for fall. I mean, it's a great fall color. You can wear this, you know, on a rainy day and not have to worry about messing up your shoes. Although I don't think I would wear these in the rain. This suede is just too nice to do that. But I would wear it on a cold, clear day because it will keep you warm. The inside of this sock liner is going to be a fleece line. So it's got kind of like a Thinsulate type material inside to keep your feet a little warm. Well, let me know what you think about these. Do you like when Jordan brings winterized shoes like this and kind of switches it up a little bit? And where would you rank these among the other winterized releases? Let us know down in the comments. That's all I got for you guys today. We appreciate each and every one of you stopping by, and until next time, we'll see you at the shop.